Sonke siyayazi icase kaShaun Mogaila. uShaun Mogaila umdlali weSikhukhune United. Wayengumdlali weRoyal AM ngaphambilini. So uShaun Mogaila 2 months ago, if I'm not mistaken, or a month ago, waba kwingozi ehlasimulisa igazi. Yabo, ngeke ngichaze kakhulu kule ngozi le, but le ngozi le yathatha umphefumulo womuntu. Waya ecourt kwathiwa uzothola ibail ka20,000. Kuthiwa ofree ukuthi aphume okwamanje, but icase yakhe izo-attendwa next year ngoFebruary, yabo. So i-issue yami la, yabo, i-issue yami ngalomdlalo ila. Ngoba uyitholile ibail, ayithi muthola ibail uyakwazi ukuphumela ngaphandle ube free ngaleso sikhashana, but mase kunecase yakho kumele uyi-attend icase. Umdlalo webhola lo, yabo, njengoba umdlalo webhola kumele awa-attend ama-matches wakhe. Inkinga ke le ngoba njoba enaleli icala leli, yabo, umthetho uyasho ukuthi, yabo, uma unecala elenzekile wathola ibail, uvumelekile ukuthi ubuyele emsebenzini, yabo, uyoqhubeka usebenze. Njoba sazi ukuthi umdlalo webhola usafana njengomsebenzi, because njoba edlala lapha uyasebenza, uyisebenzela yena khona ezothola imali. Kuthiwa la innocent until proven guilty, yabo. Kuthiwa angaqhubeka ajime ne-team or ayidlalele i-team. But inkingi leli la ingabe izovuma yini PSL ukuthi abuyele kwi-club iSikhukhune United, noma iSikhukhune United sizovuma yini ukuthi okay Shaun, we know your issue, ya ungabuyela kwi-team ubujima kancane, yabo, until icase yakho izixazulula ukuthi kahle walenza yini icala, noma iSikhukhune United izovele nje i-terminate i-contract, yabo. Angazi ngempela isituation ya Shaun Mogaila imi kanjani, cause uma wasubheke neminyaka yakhe na ayisekho mnandi kakhulu. 29 years old if I'm not mistaken for a player, yabo, ona 29 years old and angajim kakhulu for i-team, because le case le ingenzeka ithatha isikhathi eside. Njengoba izothatha isikhathi eside kuzomrequire ukuthi athole i-gym, yabo. So ingabe iSikhukhune United somkhipha, yabo, noma sizomvumela ukuthi ajime ne-team, yabo. For me, I feel like it's better for him to stay away from the team kancane, athi ukuyithola yena umfethu, yabo, athi ukuyithola yena, because I'm sure according to the news outlets kuthiwa watholakala nezidakamizwa emotweni yakhe, yabo, notshwala no-leds. So I'm sure kune-stress esimdlayo. I feel like it's better ukuthi ayithole yena umjida aye kuma-counselling, ayokhuluma nabantu, asho ukuthi mhlawumbe kwenzakalani, yabo, because I'm sure most of the teams ku-PSL anawo ama-counselling, yabo. They provide the counselling, maybe bakhulume nezinto eyibadlayo, because these are human beings too, yabo. Mhlawumbe bane-pressure yokuthi ama-fans kumele badelive, yabo, i-team ayidlali kahle, you never know, yabo. So I feel like umjida kumele ahlale phansi, but I don't think i-PSL ingamvumela ukuthi abuye adlale, yabo. There will be an uproar kuma-fans ukuthi how can this person play while there was someone who lost his or her life during that accident eyenzeka, yabo. So angazi ngezwa ngani nina ama-comments, should this guy continue playing kwi-PSL noma kumele ahlale kancane, noma i-decision kahle izothathwa iSikhukhune United ukuthi okay siyambuyisa aqhubeke abejima nathi, yabo, ukuze icala lakhe silibone kahle next year, because uyasho umthetho innocent until proven guilty. Umthetho la eSouth Africa unjalo umthetho la eSouth Africa, so umuntu ume innocent uba innocent until proven guilty, yabo. Until usu-guilty ilapho khona soqala khona sigwebe, but nje okwamanje yena usa innocent as of now, because wayikhipha ibail ya 20,000, yabo, wayikhipha ibail. So angazi ngempela, ningangitshela ama-comments, ningibhalele lapha, ni-subscribe bafethu, mina ngingakwazi ukusubscribe, ningilikeela.